welcome to my kingdom, or welcome back to my kingdom. Thank you for existing. I am currently in some New York bathroom. I'm in Rochester, New York for the event Jokes on You.
From Spirit Halloween, my guy.
I thought they were coming for me. I'm going to be vending tonight and listening to my favorite kind of music. There's going to be a bunch of hard dance. So yeah, I apologize for the shitty audio quality probably throughout the entire video. I forgot my mic at home.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Anyway, let's get into the adventure. I don't know if I'm showing a little too much. We'll see if my titty falls out tonight.
Big boobs. What? Child. Anyway.
I thought the cat was in there. Because he fucking does that shit all the time. I have a duffel bag.
Your cat was in my bag right now.
I have a duffel bag and he likes to get in that shit all the time.
Like my titties might pop out, so we're just gonna.
Your cat was in my bag. Oh, Shelly, I got you something else.
Look at this. Oh wait, are we taking a picture? Hold on, hold on.
Alright, my titties are cold.
Going to the party. Boom. Happen. Oh, look. Yeah, my titty was like that close to falling out. And the mesh shirt, you know, as y'all can tell, does not cover a lot, you know. Where'd they get this from? That's a first. I had no idea this song existed. So all of a sudden there's like a hardcore, happy hardcore remix of this fucking song. Oh yeah, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it. The dude is shuffling. He's cutting a rug, dude. Update. We're an hour in and I have made no money. Zero. I almost made $2. Because raffle tickets are $2. I'm raffling off this painting neither did I. So I'm still waiting on that $2. But I'm having a good time with my favorite music, so KingZoePlur.com, April 25th. Yup. It's happening. Never been a thing on the channel before, but let's do a bathroom review. Bathroom review, 10 out of 10. You got your own individual stalls in this place. Like, the ceiling is exposed, but I literally have my own trash can and stall, bro. Rochester, New York is hidden, alright? Like, locked doors. Eat pussy, it's less carbs. It's very smoky in here. I don't know why. It's not a smoking venue, but look at that. This place is kind of lit. I don't know why it's so damn smoky in here, for real. I've made at least $20 and it's like 9:30, so, you know, I think we're doing pretty good for 9:30 in Rochester, New York. This is the first time I'm vending out here in New York officially. I sold some stuff out of like my backpack before at festivals, but this is the first time I'm officially vending here, like with a real setup and everything, you know what I mean? My dick shirt is working. I definitely am glad I brought it because my titties would have been out if not. Like, it would have been really, really bad. Seriously. Those swivel chairs don't make it any better because I keep wanting to like swivel like this and then like my titty wants to fly out. Not cool. Anyway, I'm gonna get back in there. Tyler keeps refilling the fucking ATM with fake $100 bills so that when people get money out, they get a fake 100. He's been non-stop at it, like literally. Feel your heart, that's lit. Feel your heart, New York, that's fucking lit. Oh, fuck. In a New York place. I don't know what this is, a loading dock or some shit. This is the place.
Exactly what it is.
fucking Ronald McDonald. Hold on. You can't even see. You can't even see. It's too blue. Wait a second. Hold on. Look at her. Oh my god. You can't even fucking see, but she's right there.
fucking styles, right?
Fill Your Heart Productions. If you can ever go to a Fill Your Heart show, do it. Do what's good for you and fucking go. Just flip. I got a goddamn balloon animal. I'm so fucking happy. Oh shit, mother of Lord. Fast beats, happy beats, cheesy beats. Just lit.
Don't tell! Don't tell! Don't tell! Don't tell! Make some noise for your freaking self!
Oh my god. Do it. No.
There, I get where you're Go back to the hotel room. We got that shit.
10 out of 10. They have food here. Look.
But I'm also working the 6 and so...
Oh my god. That was so good. Oh my god. I'll tell you more when we get back, but that was freaking amazing. After party? After party? Aww.
Okay, I'm just going back to the place that I'm staying tonight. I am extremely tired. My phone's on 100%. I can't find my charger right now. I find it.
My tit was totally out earlier.
Hey,
I couldn't tell. I don't know.
No, my tit was totally out earlier, and I don't know for how long, but the tit was out. I don't know for how long though.
just free it. It's fine.
Oh my god, why is there beads falling?
Did you like something?
I totally broke this part.
I don't know. I caught it.
I'm just gonna tie it and figure out how to fix it later, but
Here, hold on.
I hate when that shit happens. Oh my god, I can hear you sniffing so hard. Sorry.
I can hear you sniffing so loud.
Yeah, didn't you sniff real loud?
They showed up. I
My
was
boobies hurt.
naked, or I would have come
They
out.
hurt really bad.
But
This is
no,
the
I'm
tutorial
when I
on
came out,
how
you guys
to
were
take
just
your
like,
makeup
okay, we're
off.
just gonna do makeup on the table.
So first you
It makes me
start
feel good 'cause
with a
some
base
people are really
layer.
fucking awkward. Being out of people's houses.
A base layer of fucking regret.
rolling rock.
Where's the rolling rock?
Like,
No,
I'm
I'm just
just like
kidding.
this all the time. Yeah. Before you guys come in.
Holy shit, he turned on the sun.
I think everybody's going to breakfast.
Senior crowd or shortcuts?
Shortcuts.
Breakfast time.
We gotta get one for breakfast.
I love that.
Random swing.
That's cool. I didn't even notice.
We're doing fun
Wow.
Fresh.
They're all
Thank
live,
you, bro.
So if you
It's of the same person.
I got 9th place. Is that what that says? Honestly, I don't know what that means. I'm gonna keep freaking losing. Why didn't you tell me how bad I look right now?
I think in terms of
First ever espresso martini. This is actually pretty good. Just saying. I forgot to tell y'all. People were literally moshing last night at the venue. There was like happy hardcore playing, and people were moshing. Like opening up the pit for happy hardcore. It was nuts. I've never seen anything like it before. But they were being really respectful, and it was actually kind of cute, so I hope they had a good time. Oh my god!
Did you make it? Really cute on it, yeah. You want me to put it in it? I said over it.
What's it from? Your cigarettes?
German cigarettes.
Ew, it's probably like menthol Seneca flavored. Oh my god.